Yes, everybody, there's a request from my end. Today I'm not well, I'm unwell a bit. Okay, so I would appreciate your cooperation. I will not shout a lot. Okay, so please maintain silence. I'll not shout, I'll not scold you. Okay, so if you want that class run smoothly, please cooperate with me. I'm taking a session, but I'm not very much well. Okay, fine. So 10 nomination. So so Gaurav, tomorrow you will make 4 sentences of reckless. Nominate. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Stolen the money. Okay. Hmm. Good. Nominate. One person has done. Sorry. Where is he? Arav, how many times I have told you to not sit at corner? Swap. I know, but still you will not sit there at the wall side. He is very reckless when he is drunk. Good. Second, it should be caught by police. And why do you mention Ashu in your sentence? Why? Again, do you want to go outside? Everybody, adjectives should be positive. You're using such nonsense adjective for a person. Yes, Arav, nominate somebody. Stand up, boy. Yes. You're huh? Have you copied this sentence from my sentence? Why? Why? Ashu? Why? Why didn't you make your own sentence and copy it from mine? You don't know. Second sentence? There? Okay, home was robbed. Do not copy sentences, make it your own. Even mine also. Nobody will copy. Understood? Yes. Nominate. What? Reckless? Reckless you see. Oh. Second, I was very reckless to go. Show me your copy. Go bail this in this way. Bail means oh, when we give money to release somebody from the police custody. So that sentence is a bit incorrect. I'll correct it later on after the class. Nominate quickly. Neeraj. Uh, quickly. How many nominations has been done? Shivam, loud. Uh-huh. Yes. Should be he is a you are using a person, a person. You should be he is a reckless person. Okay. Next, about their actions in anger. Good. Nominate quickly, quickly. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Good. My big brother. Hmm. Hmm. Castigate me for my reckless behavior. Hmm. Nominate quickly. How many nominations has been done? Six. Four more. And two reserved. And in this 10, how many are reserved for women? Two. One. Yeah. So I can give only one reservation to them. I'm not the government. Quickly. Yes. Uh, yeah. Oh, last match. Second, with reckless behavior attitude is futile. Very good. You use the previous word. People who use the previous WOTDs, please accept my appreciation for practicing it. Whosoever had done it, I appreciated you. I know Aman is sure shot in this. Yes, Nilesh, please nominate. Hmm. Second. Hmm. Good. How many nominations has been done? Eight. Eight, right? Last two. Hmm. Oh God. Second. You people are crazy. Nice. Eighth one, right? Ninth. Last nomination. You cannot nominate him. Yes, Mosmi. Hmm. Hmm. Second. Second. Say. Yeah. Everybody don't say second. Okay. Second. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Good. Okay. My nominations are left. Okay. I would like to nominate. Hmm. No, no, no. Let. There are so many people touched. Like I am confused. Hmm. Yeah, Amit, you share. You have been silent since long. Uh, mm-hmm. Very good. Have you put the full stop at the end? No. Put it. Okay. Second nomination I am giving to Sham. Why Sham? Are you not happy? What happened? Oh, I'm so sad to hear. Okay, take care. Okay. Condolences, rip. Fine. Take your time. Not an issue. Adarsh. Hmm. Second. Hmm. Good. Simple sentence but correct. Others, hope you have made the sentence. How many of you have not made the sentence? Stand up. Only you. Others? Hadik, have you made the sentence? Good. Okay, Gaurav, how did it happen? So, didn't you make futile sentences last day? What shall I do with him? You people tell me. This is a castigate? How? Tell me. You people scared me literally. I thought there is any lizard or something. Yes. If there would be a lizard, I would have jumped here, here, here. Yes, what to do with him? Everybody, it's the first mistake. Suggest me some. Shall I? How many of you are Gaurav? Come to your space. The declaration has not been done yet. Oh, how many of you want me to forgive him? Oh my God. Mosmi. Okay, all girls. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't you people want? Okay, everybody. Okay, fine. Sit. It should not happen next time. Otherwise, I will not ask for vote. Fine. Okay, so all the girls have voted for you. That show that girls are always kind. You're talking to me. Again. Fine, everybody. What is written? Huh? Fine. Tell me some words from tha. Tha say? Ah, very good. Thala. Okay. Thala, thermos. Okay. Thappad, thakan, khana, thumbs up. Is it a Hindi word? Thala, thermos, thappad, thakan. Okay. Thali. More? Thoda. Thoda? You listen a lot of songs, right? Thoda. This much? Thodi. Acha, male, female. Thund. Okay. It's thund actually, not thund. Silence. Thappad. How many times do you want a thappad? It's written here, na? Next. More? Do you know this much Hindi vocabulary? Thela. One more. हाँ थैला थैली थैलू थैले thanks. Tha is Hindi letter, right? Hath. Okay. Fine, everybody. Enough. Enough, 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 enough. Attention, everyone. By the way, how's my Hindi writing? Thank you. Everybody, thank you for sharing the words from the letter tha. But unfortunately, in English, these sounds does not exist. There is no tha in English language. Okay? There is no tha. Like not thala. Thala is a Hindi word. Right? So today we will learn about the TH sound, which is not tha. It's a English word. It's not her, it's Thanos. If you will hear na, the actress, it's not Thanos, it's Thanos. Yeah, I mean, you will get to know. Everybody, these are some TH sound, and today we will learn how to pronounce. Yeah, how to pronounce it. You stand up, read it. Yes, sit. Everybody is not think. There is no th. Think. There's th mix. A bit of th, but not exact th. It's think, right? Think. Yeah, it might sound a bit, strange, but it's think. It's not th. It's not this sound, everyone. It's th. Think. Yeah. Thick. Third. Yeah. Then once again. Thank. Thank. Push, stand up. Thank you. Thank you. See, it's not exact thank you, it's thank you. Thank. Okay? What pronounce this? Thin, right? Thin. I want stand up. This one? Yes, thank, right? Sit. Ayush, birthday, right? Karan, bathtub, right? Gaurav, it's healthy, okay? Betu, math, good. Math, okay? It's not math, her math, math. Math is breathe, right? Okay, everybody. You stand up. Then very good. Sit down. Sudha, stand up, please. These. Say it again. These. This देखो जो आप बोल रहे हो ना वो ये है this. ठीक है? Sound long sound है ये. These. Shivam, stand up. Rahul. Good. Either or either. Both are correct. Right? Navneet. Brother. Okay. Next, Hadik. Ronak. It's bath, bath. Huh? Meaning, no, this one is the correct one. That is also correct, but this one is, in standard English, this one is correct. It's smooth, everybody. It's smooth, not her. It's smoother. Everybody, there are two types of TH sound. Okay, we have to understand both. First, you understand the pronunciation of TH. The two types of TH sound, which are, first is voiced TH sound. Voiced. Like thank you, right? We say thank you. You please put your fingers here on your larynx and say thank you. Did you feel the vibration? There's a vibration, right? But if you say this word, them. Now please, them. Is there any vibration? It is lesser, not that much. Then thank you. It's less, but in thank you, it's more. Thank you. Say it again. But in them, the vibration is them. Less, right? It is very less. But in thank you, it's more. So when you pronounce the voice TH sound, then there would be a vibration here on your throat. Okay? That is called voice TH sound. Means which we pronounce as the. Okay, the. Okay? Like thank you. Right? Think. Okay? It's not exact tha, but just a bit of tha. Are you understanding? It's not thala wala tha, एकदम पूरा अच्छा से proper tha. It's tha. Are you getting? It is a bit complex everybody, but we have to understand it. Okay. So voice ts sound जो ऐसा th वाला sound ना th mix, those are voice ts sound. Understood? जैसे कि tree, thank you, Thursday, no, not Tuesday. It's Tuesday, right? And it is not here. Yeah, Tuesday. Yeah, and voice ts sound. Okay. The pronunciation which come as the, right? Them, their, those. These are unvoiced ts sound. Understood? They, the. Fine. Did we get the difference? This is not her, but the. Right? Thank you. If you see a very good speaker from the outer country, they will never pronounce her. Are you feeling sleepy? You. No, behind you. Are you sure? People, are you so much in grief because of RCB loss? How many of you? Same. I should not say it here, otherwise people will start cursing me. What is the word? There is one finalist is fixed. Wow, what a ringtone. Whose phone is there? Go. Otherwise, I thought somebody's else. Okay, fine. Silence. Everybody, don't be sad on RCB's loss. It's okay. It happens. Huh? It's been 17 years. I remember when I was in class 4, first time IPL happened, and that time RR won. And from that time, I have a very good connection with RR. RR, not RRR. RR. Rajasthan team. Okay, so I'm very happy that they won, but I'm very sad also that your favorite team lost. Yeah, they can. They have that. Okay, everybody, let's come here. Unvoiced TH sound, did we understand? The words which have it? The, right? There, them, smooth, healthy, right? These. Okay? Okay, everybody, let's do something. Okay, now there's exercise for you. 10 voiced TH sound word and 10 unvoiced. You have to write. Done with talking with father. Good. You have to make list of 10 voice sound words and 10 unvoiced sound words, everybody. Okay? Do you know the difference, or shall I explain it once more? Who said once more? Okay. Everybody, the voice T sound, when you say thank you, you will see a vibration. But if you say them, there is a less vibration, right? So जितने भी sound वाले word है ना, thank you, thank, Thai, bathe, these are voiced. But जिसमें the sound निकलता है ना, the से दवात वाला sound, ठीक है? जैसे them, there, those, this, that, सारे unvoiced हैं. Understood? समझ में आया difference? चलो बनाओ. I am writing one. आप लोगों को थोड़ा help कर देती हूँ. Thank you. 10. Try to write 10. Let's see how much you can. These. Did I share your retail progress last day? Last day? Last day, do we have any pending homework also, everyone, from the lesson? Why didn't you share? After completing this, we will complete it. Okay. THEM. Yes, theme. Yes. It's theme. It's not theme. It's theme. Okay. It is voice on voice. 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 Theme. Right? Theme. What happened, Kush? Are you people new? What's your name? Akriti. Where are you from, Akriti? Gopalganj. Wow. Where in Gopalganj? Okay, great. There are some friends of mine live there. That's why I asked. What about you? Meethi. Sweet. Okay, where are you from? Samastipur. So you are a Bhojpuri speaker. You are a Mathil speaker, right? You know how to speak Bhojpuri? Very good. Wow. So glad to hear. Fine. Hope you both are comfortable with English. Hope you understand what I'm saying. If you have any query, you can ask. Okay. I only maintain English environment so that you can speak that only and you can be familiar. Okay. If you face any problem, difficulty in understanding anything, do ask me. Okay, everybody. Everybody, attention, please. Attention, please. I'll not shout a lot. I don't have much energy. Today you have your test, so I'll be leaving you a bit early so that you can revise the stuff. Okay, and all the best. Just I will tell you, go through the WOTDs, go through the grammatical contents and the contents which I taught you for the personality and the correct language structure. Okay, questions are from there only. People who have not studied them or who have joined recently, note down the thing and ask from your peers who are old. ठीक है, अब उनसे पता कर लेना. Mosmi, there are for, so they will write all. Not right now, but after some time. Huh? Bingo. Okay. Okay, I'll listen two from each. I'll take eight responses. Why didn't you remind me that time? Is it done, everybody? Okay, who has done it? Stand up. 2 voice. Trash. Okay. Good. 2 unvoiced. 11th and 18th. Are they unvoiced? No, no. Ayush, these are also voiced. The sound which produces them, na, these are unvoiced. Okay. 11th, 12th, 18th, these all will come as voiced. Okay. Please write the another one. These and that. Okay. Sit. Nominate others. Okay, Satpal. Here's Ayush. Fine, share. Voice first. Hmm? Script. Thick. Okay. Sorry. Unvoiced. You nominate. Hmm. Hmm. Mm-hmm. 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 It is one unvoiced. Breathe and faith. Breathe is unvoiced, but how bath? There's teach a sound coming, right? Her sound. So the child, it is mingled. It is mixed. It is not that voice and voice. Okay. Child, it was mixed. We have to distinguish it. Okay. देखो जितने भी द साउंड्स वाले हैं ना, द जिसमें द आता है वो अनवॉइस, जिसमें थ आता है that is voice. हाँ, those, their, them are done. Next, nominate Amit. Hmm. Ashish is so respectful. He stands up every time he gets a nomination. Yes. Them. Is it voice or unvoiced? Them. Unvoiced. Everybody, did you understand it well or not? There are some people who are making mistakes. Huh? Teeth. Voice or unvoiced? Thick. Thick is also voiced. Oh, okay. Next. Boys. Oh. Then hen. Voice or unvoiced? Do you have confusion, everybody, in voice and voice ts sound? Please make him understand. Sit down. Yes, you share, please. Akruti. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Good. Please nominate somebody. Hmm. Thomas. Good. Together. Together is voice or unvoiced? Unvoiced, right? The sound is coming together, right? Health. Health is voice or unvoiced? Everybody health, but healthy is not voiced. Okay? Health, health is voice. This th is voice. But if you speak healthy, healthy, healthy. Here, this is voice. Always remember, health and healthy. We say D, not he, right? Healthy. Okay? Understood? Very good. Nominate somebody. Okay, on your behalf, I'm nominating. I would like to nominate Kush. Hmm. 1000. Voice and voice. Good. Throat. Which? Voice and voice. Good. And voice? Mm-hmm. These and that. Good. Voice and what? Is it clear? Very good. Nominate somebody. Hmm. Highland. Voice and voice. Good. Mm-hmm. Birthday. Voice and voice. Now share the unvoiced one. These. Good. Those. Entire pronounce. Set. Nominate. Why are you looking here and nominating bit 2? Oh. Uh-huh. Is it voiced? Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm. Everybody, you are copying the words. Use new words. That's why I'm giving you only limited chance to. Uh-huh. Hi is unvoiced. Hi is unvoiced. He's saying unvoiced. Didn't you understand bit two? What is voiced sound? What is unvoiced th sound? Abhijit, please make him understand after the class. Others, Kush understood? Aman, you share please. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Do. Okay, very good. Hmm. Do. What will you read it, Ayush? Duck is coming. Coming. TH is there or not? No. Are you fine today? I thought I'm unwell. It feels like you are also unwell. TH is there. There is a TH sound. There will be a TH sound. Do is voice on voice. Okay, Aishu, you tell me, do is voice TH sound or unvoiced? Do nahi do. Sudha, you share please. This is voice or unvoiced? You share this. Do. Voice, unvoiced. Fine, you share yours. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mosmi? Mm. Mm-hmm. These are unvoiced, right? Very good. Mm-hmm. Very good, very good. Therapy, right? Not how to say it. It's not therapy exact, it's therapy, right? Yes, very good. Everybody, if you see the Britishers na, they are so accurate about the sounds, very accurate. That's why their English is different from ours, right? Because we say any sound. We use our Hindi with English, we use our mother tongue with English, okay? But they don't do it. They use English like an English one. Fine? You share, please. What's your name? Krish. You people are. What happened? Why are you laughing? Yeah. Yeah, unvoiced. Is it unvoiced? Okay. Thank you. Good. Think. Pro. Good. Is it unvoiced? Is it unvoiced? Nah? These. Hmm. Hmm. Good. Please sit down. There's one more, right? Share one more, please. Is it voice or unvoiced? Others think is voice or unvoiced. Think. Her sound is coming. Not the. It is voice. When the sound comes, though, there, them, these, then it is unvoiced. But last from whom shall I pick? Ronak, stand up. Welcome. Hmm? Very good. Hmm? Smooth. Smooth. See, Ronak, smooth is, I think, voice. Unvoiced, unvoiced. It's smooth. Smooth. Everybody knows pronunciation. Can somebody please check the pronunciation of smooth quickly? Yeah, smoothie is unvoiced, that's I know, but I don't know. Okay, let's check, let's check. Let's be sure. Ronak is getting fitter day by day. Are you going for the physical training? Good. Unvoiced, right? Unvoiced. Smooth. Everybody is not smooth, it's smooth. Okay, in Hindi we smooth. Like this, right? It's not smooth. We say it's smooth, smooth, smooth. And same goes for smoothie, right? Okay. Sit down, Ronak. Hadi? Hmm? Thin, scheme. Okay. And three. Okay, three. Okay, understood. And voice? Uh-huh. Them, that. Them, that, these, those means these words you have used frequently. Now I have a test. There are some sentences you have to pronounce it correctly, and these are the exit pass. Okay, exit pass means whosoever pronounces correctly, he will be allowed to tell me cheerio. Otherwise, I'll be staying here only. I am unwell. So 10 we will repeat. Okay, let's start with the Akruti. Ladies first. The first. Yes. What are you reading, dear? You have to read the first one. Very good. Second. Are these two words voice and voice? And birthday? Very good. Sudha, third. Teeth? Teeth. Yes, very good. Toothpick. Toothpick, right? Very good. Masmi, fourth. Voice on voice. Voice on voice. Fathers, mothers. Voice sound. Yes, yes. Let's keep the suspense. Let's ask. Yes. Krish. Fifth one. Other. 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 Voice or unvoiced? How many TS sound words are here? Three are here, na? Three. The is voice or unvoiced? Tell me. Other. Clothes. Good. Please pronounce it again. Yeah. Other clothes are new. See, there is no th. Clothes, right? Okay, tell me which which th sound word is it? Voice or voice? This one? This one? Shivam? Huh? Wait, oh yeah. Wait, this one? Shivam? What? Those? Do you need my specs? Shall I bring it for you? You wait. You are on hold. Himanshu, stand up. Seventh one. Everybody, please be silent. Why? No. It's correct, everybody. Those three boys means those three boys will become 3 years old this Thursday. Are you getting? That is the meaning of the sentence. Now it's correct? Yes, Himanshu? 3 Okay, you are on hold. Nilesh, this one. How many TS sounds are there? Words are there? 4. Which one is this? Voice on voice? You will answer only. This is voice on voice. Shall I bang my head on the wall? Yes. There it's unvoiced. Hold. You are on hold. Sit. Or this one, 8 number only. Voice unvoiced. That voice unvoiced. Mouth. Good. Pass. Arish. 9th. Other. What happened? Start from here. Correct. Which what is the sound of this word? Voice. This one. Okay, I'm giving one more choice. This. Unvoiced or voiced? That. Unvoiced? Sure. Shall I lock it? Good. Thing. Big than. Thing is unvoiced. Hold. Then. Hold. Okay. Push. Stand up. 10 number. Which sound? A silence. Good. South. Silence. Good. Sit down. Rahul. You will read this one only. Then in the good. Sit. Pass. First. Say it again. I think Thursday. Thursday. Fine. Which voice on? What? This is a voice. Thursday. Why saying voice then? Sit. Pass. This side. Say it again, please. 15th, but and yeah, there is voice only. Sit. Pass. Satpal. Again. Which sound? Voice on voice. Good. Ronak. 4th. They. All on voice. Good. Pass. Nilesh, stand up. 5th one. Other. Clothes. Good. Sit. Abhijit, stand up. 6th number. And feather. Another. Sit. Navneet. Pass. Good. 8. Uh, Set. Pass. Ninth number. On voice. On voice. It's unvoiced. Unvoiced. What is your mother tongue? That is why. But English is not Bhojpuri, right? Your Bhojpuri should not affect English. Whatever sound is it, you have to speak like that only. Okay? Understood? This is called, everybody, mother tongue influence. Okay? Is English is influenced by mother tongue. Sit. Hold. You are on hold. Okay. Something. Hold. Ashu, stand up. 9 number. 10 number. 10. Why are you making noise? Will I be able to hear him? Warm. हाँ. हाँ. ये बताओ. हाँ. Unvoiced. Good. ये वाला बताओ. South. Voice. Arav. Number 1. Both are. Sit. Aman. Second. Good. Sham. Tell me, what are the words? All are? हाँ, correct. Good. Karan? 4. All are on voice? Are you sure? Good. Ayush? 5th. What is voice? What is unvoiced? Tell me. Other is unvoiced and last but not the least. Number 6. Figure. Feather. Louder. Be louder. You are sitting there. Na, I'm not. What is voice? What is unvoiced? There unvoiced. Another unvoiced. Feather. Height. Why are you so shaking? Unvoiced. Voiced. Like he is chanting a mantra. Sit down. Pass. People who are on hold. How many of you are on hold? Raise your hand. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 people, I will give you more words tomorrow. You have to pronounce it correctly and you have to say whether it's voice or unvoiced. Are you getting? Okay. So everybody, this is very important. TH sound. Please pronounce it correctly. Now you know what is unvoiced, what is voice. TH. Yes. Please write it. Tomorrow, please, Abhijit, do remind me that I have to share the previous day's homework also. What of the day also, and these people's, okay, who are on hold, they will pronounce. 5 people only, na? Ashu is passed. Yes, he passed. You are still sleeping now. Again, you are sleeping. You will not sit again on the wall side. That's it. You sit there. How do you not know that he has passed? Very good, Ashu. Thank you, ma'am. You need to be louder, dear. So he lives in that hostel. Have you been there? You shifted there? Oh. Gaurav, you are here only. Why, Abhijit? Why this change? Or batch people are there, yeah. Here only Kush is there, Gaurav. And all are this alpha batches. Fine, nice decision. How's that hostel? Good, na? I just like the park in front of it. But still, if you are here, there's a balcony and you can see the park and there are plants. What are you looking at the park? Flowers. Good. Is it done, everybody? What is the word of the day? Exemplary. Meaning? Yes. So good that, yeah. Yeah, in the previous batch, the warrior batch, students have given me the example. Ma'am, you're too young to be a teacher. Yes, everybody, my friends also give the same example. But I like it. What to say? Teacher means somebody who wears sari, who wears specs, who are married. But yeah, okay. But I like teaching. That's why I'm too young. I taken this profession. Fine. But don't consider me as a bujurg. Okay. I'm not that. Fine. Is it clear, everybody? Okay. See, here I've given her dance performance was exemplary. Means it was so good that we can give the example. It was really good, right? So a very good performance can be exemplary. Okay, everybody, any doubt in this session today? Okay. Tomorrow, Abhijit, please remind me that we have to take a lot of questions. Sorry, homework. And for Gaurav, there is a. What is the word of the day? How? Huh? Yes. Total 6. Reckless 4. Exemplary. Now onwards, you will not be reckless in doing homework. I've made a sentence right now for you. Okay. Okay, where is the stop button here? Here, this one, right? This one? This one? Done?